Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk
Well, hey
about it.
family, happy Wednesday. Stopping by real quick. I've been working on bracelets. And with these bracelets, I just went ahead and made them solid colors. I did add a little bead, a glass bead, kind of here and there, but I wanted solid colors pretty much. And then at the front, more for like little focal, I added some different beads and some custom charms. And then it's a stack. The stack is going to have 6 bracelets. But anyway, I sat here and worked on this. I didn't feel like talking, so I didn't turn the camera on because my throat still hurts really bad. So I didn't feel like doing a whole bunch of talking. So I figured I would just go ahead and finish them and then just come back and just kind of show you what I've been working on. Trying to get all these beads. I'm down. I'm trying to get rid of all of them. I still got a couple here. I should be able to get a nice number. Maybe another, this is 6. So maybe another 3 sets of 6 or something. And hopefully it works out like that. But I really do like these. And then the solid colors. Just instead of mixing all the colors together, just doing bracelets in solid colors. But anyway, really cute. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, darling night for Jerry by BDK. And we'll talk.